I'm Mike, and welcome to Rattle Can Garage. Today we're going to install a brush guard on a John Deere tractor. These are the parts we will need. We have the brush guard, 2 bolts, 2 spacers, 2 cotter keys, 2 nuts, and a bar. And to do this, we'll need 2 wrenches. Position your parts in front of the mower to make it easier. So first thing we're going to do is put the bar in, line up the holes, and a pin on the other side. Bring you in closer. Take the bushing and slide it in. Other bushing in place. Line up the holes for your bolt. And then get the other side. Here's a close-up. The cotter pin goes in here. That's the completed brush guard installation. Excuse the mess in the garage.